Today, let's elevate your events with Nouri. Adding agendas? Easy. Put date, location, time, and detailed descriptions, all in one place. This helps attendees picture what's in store. Engagement matters. Craft questions attendees answer during registration. It's personalized and interactive. Stay transparent effortlessly. Insert terms and conditions attendees need to know. Make an impact. Integrate Make-A-Wish Foundation donations for a noble cause. And guess what? Gamify the registration process for fun and excitement. Challenges, rewards, it's all here. Nouri transforms event planning. From agendas to engagement, transparency to impact, we're your all-in-one solution. Create memorable events with Nouri.